So if you saw my last videos, Santa did not go to jail. So I think we're good in that terms, but I also need to return my tree. So I'm not sure if we can return trees, but we're gonna go try to do it, so let's go. I really should fix my power steering leak, but if it's leaking it, it's still got it, so I don't see the problem. So I guess I'm not the only person trying to save the environment today, but I mean, if you see my cup holders, it's a freaking sausage in the hallway, so this thing's gonna go all over the place. How the hell is this gonna hold my drink in my cup? People are crazy, but good thing they used a different type of plastic instead of the actual lids. So since it's a different plastic, I don't even know anymore, like this world. So I got the tree over there. I mean, Santa got the tree over there. But I think we're gonna go a little bit further, go over to Mercer to install the tree back into nature. So yeah, we're gonna go to Mercer instead. Frick. Probably should put her into 4. This thing don't get stuck. Watch, I'll freaking show you. See? We're on 4. Look at that. Oh yeah. I'm just bouncing back and forth. You don't get stuck. If you go faster, you don't feel nothing. I think here's a good spot. You know, there's a little bit of garbage everywhere, so if I put the tree here, then yeah, hopefully it'll clean this place up a little bit. You know, shit, even the trees are growing trash. Oh well. So I'm gonna give her back exactly how I got her. The tree, tow strapped, and my axe. I know you guys might not know how I'm gonna use the axe again, but it's gonna hold the tow strap together. So hopefully it doesn't rip my face off. Do not try this at home. I think I killed the tree. Oh, it's just a bloody mess everywhere. That one went a lot better than I thought. I didn't think that would have worked at all. Well, cool. Time to pack it up now. Well, it was a good tree, and it will always be in our hearts. And probably stuck to the bottom of my truck. Nothing some harsh driving won't fix. Don't get stuck, gun. My truck kind of started making some knocking noises. Well, I hope you enjoyed this damn video. Great. See you in the next one, I guess.